Building games with XRPL and Algorand is a great way to create exciting and innovative blockchain-based experiences. This tutorial will show you how to use two powerful decentralized technologies to create a game of your own. XRPL and Algorand are two of the most popular decentralized platforms for creating games. XRPL provides a secure, fast, and efficient way to create a game that runs on its own blockchain. It also offers a wide range of tools and libraries that make it easy to build a game with a strong foundation. Algorand, on the other hand, focuses on creating games with a high level of security and privacy. Both platforms have their own advantages and disadvantages, so it is important to consider your specific needs before deciding which one to use. To get started, you need to create an account on XRPL or Algorand and install their respective development tools. Once you have done that, you can start designing the game by choosing the components, such as graphics, mechanics, and rules. You will also need to decide on the game's rewards and incentives, as well as its monetization model. Once you have designed the game, you can use XRPL or Algorand's tools to deploy the game to the blockchain. Finally, you can monitor the game's performance and make changes or adjustments as needed. Building games with XRPL and Algorand is a great way to create unique, fun, and secure gaming experiences. With the right tools, you can create a game that is secure and reliable, while still offering an enjoyable and engaging experience. With a little bit of work, you can create a game that will be enjoyed by players from all over the world. Example: using XRPL and Algorand, you can build a game that allows players to earn rewards for completing levels. You can also create a game with a monetization model that allows players to purchase in-game items or upgrade their characters' abilities. Additionally, you can use XRPL and Algorand to develop a game with cutting-edge graphics and immersive gameplay mechanics. Finally, you can use the tools provided by XRPL and Algorand to monitor the game's performance and make adjustments as necessary. Deploying games with XRPL and Algorand is a great way to bring the gaming and cryptocurrency worlds together. In order to do this, developers must understand the basics of how the two platforms interact and how to deploy games properly. The first step in deploying games with XRPL and Algorand is to understand the architecture of the two platforms. XRPL, which stands for Extensible Record Processing Layer, is a platform built on the blockchain that allows developers to create their own custom tokens and applications. Algorand is a distributed ledger technology that allows developers to create decentralized applications and cryptocurrency tokens. Both of these platforms are built on the blockchain, which is a distributed ledger technology, and have their own set of rules and protocols for developers to follow. The next step is to set up the game using XRPL and Algorand. Developers will need to create an account on either platform, and then use that account to create a wallet to store the cryptocurrency tokens. Once the wallet is set up, developers can use the wallet to deploy the game. This involves creating a smart contract that will govern the game's rules and transactions. Developers can also use the wallet to create the game's assets, such as the coins and items needed to play the game. Once the game is ready to be deployed, developers can use the wallet to send the tokens to players. Players can then use the tokens to purchase in-game assets, such as coins and items. Players can also use the tokens to compete in tournaments and win prizes. Deploying games with XRPL and Algorand is a great way to bring the gaming and cryptocurrency worlds together. By understanding the architecture of the two platforms and setting up the game correctly, developers can create exciting and innovative games that are both fun and secure. Example: Alice is a game developer who wants to deploy a game using XRPL and Algorand. First, she sets up an account on either platform and creates a wallet to store her cryptocurrency tokens. She then creates a smart contract to govern the game's rules and transactions. After that, she creates the game's assets, such as coins and items needed to play the game. Finally, she deploys the game by sending the tokens to players. Players can then use the tokens to purchase in-game assets, such as coins and items, or use them to compete in tournaments and win prizes. Alice has successfully deployed her game using XRPL and Algorand, bringing the gaming and cryptocurrency worlds together. Testing and troubleshooting games built with XRPL and Algorand can be a complicated and time-consuming process, but it is an integral part of the game development process. Ensuring that the game works properly and is bug-free is important for the game to be successful. The first step in testing and troubleshooting games built with XRPL and Algorand is to run the game locally on your computer. This will allow you to test the game and make sure that all the features are working correctly. This is also a good way to check for any bugs or glitches. After you have tested the game locally, you can then move on to testing the game on the XRPL or Algorand networks. This will allow you to make sure that the game is functioning correctly and is working as expected on the networks. Finally, you can use automated testing tools to test the game. Automated testing tools can help you identify any bugs or glitches quickly and easily. This can help you save time and ensure that the game is functioning correctly before it is released to the public. Automated testing tools can also help you identify any potential security issues that need to be addressed. By using automated testing tools, you can ensure that the game is functioning correctly and is secure.